Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Today, I'm super excited to talk about a product that's essential for anyone who loves sports, fitness, or just staying hydrated. We are diving into SaltStick Electrolyte FastChews. Whether you're an athlete, a weekend warrior, or someone who simply needs to keep their electrolytes in check, SaltStick FastChews promise quick and effective hydration support. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what SaltStick Electrolyte FastChews are. These are chewable tablets designed to replace electrolytes lost through sweat. They are packed with essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Each tablet is designed to provide a balanced dose of these crucial minerals, which are vital for maintaining proper muscle function and preventing cramps during intense activities. SaltStick claims that their FastChews are easy to digest, non-GMO, and come in a variety of tasty flavors like orange, lemon lime, and zesty lemon. They are also free from artificial sweeteners and colorings, which is a big plus. These FastChews are especially beneficial for athletes participating in endurance sports, but they can also be a great option for anyone looking to stay hydrated on a hot day, during travel, or after a night out. I've been using SaltStick FastChews for the past few weeks, especially during my workouts and long runs. Let me share my experience with you. During my workouts, I noticed a significant difference in how I felt. I wasn't as fatigued, and I didn't experience the usual muscle cramps I get after a long run. Plus, they are super convenient to carry around and use on the go. The taste is actually pretty good for a supplement, not too sweet or salty. I really like the orange flavor. It's refreshing without being overpowering. Using SaltStick FastChews is straightforward. Just pop 1 or 2 tablets every 15 to 30 minutes during exercise, or as needed throughout the day to stay hydrated. You can easily carry them in your pocket, your gym bag, or even your car. Simply chew and swallow, no water needed, making them perfect for situations where you might not have a water bottle handy. Let's break down some pros and cons of SaltStick FastChews. Easy to use, portable, effective electrolyte replacement, good taste, and free from artificial ingredients. They can be a bit pricey compared to other electrolyte supplements, and if you're not into chewable tablets, you might not love the texture. Overall, I highly recommend SaltStick FastChews for anyone looking for a quick and convenient way to keep their electrolytes in check. They've been a game changer for me, especially during my long runs and intense workouts. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial not just for athletic performance but for overall health. Give SaltStick FastChews a try and see how they can make a difference in your routine. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you've tried SaltStick FastChews or if you have any other favorite hydration tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Kids Zone for more reviews and fitness tips. Stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.